today's fast-paced retail world, grocery platforms generate a staggering amount of data every single day. This data is more than just numbers. It's the key to understanding customer behavior, tracking competitor pricing, and making smarter business decisions. By leveraging real-time grocery data, businesses can monitor the market, optimize pricing, and gain insights into product trends across categories. Data scraping technology transforms raw product listings into actionable intelligence, allowing companies to stay ahead of the competition. With structured data, retailers can respond quickly to market changes and deliver better value to their customers. Let's explore how this process works and why it's so crucial for modern businesses. Instamart data scraping is all about automating the collection of grocery product data from online delivery platforms. This process gathers everything from product listings and pricing details to discount information and delivery data. By systematically extracting and organizing this information, businesses can analyze current prices, track historical trends, and monitor active promotions. The result is a structured dataset that's ready for deep analysis. This approach not only saves time but also ensures accuracy and completeness, giving companies a comprehensive view of the grocery market. With these insights, organizations can make informed decisions and adapt quickly to changes in consumer demand or competitor strategies. Power of grocery data scraping lies in the depth and breadth of information it can extract. Key data points include detailed product information such as names, descriptions, brands, and packaging details. Pricing intelligence covers current prices, historical trends, discounts, and bundle offers. Additional data like customer ratings, reviews, delivery charges, and stock levels provide a complete picture of the market. With this comprehensive dataset, businesses can perform detailed competitive analysis, monitor availability, and optimize their inventory. This level of granularity ensures that every aspect of the grocery landscape is covered, empowering companies to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Data scraping process is a systematic workflow designed to turn unstructured web data into structured, analysis-ready datasets. It begins by identifying the target grocery platforms and defining what data needs to be extracted. Next, automated scraping tools like web crawlers are deployed to collect product listings, pricing, and metadata. The raw data is then cleaned, duplicates are removed, formats are standardized, and accuracy is validated. Finally, the structured data is delivered via APIs or files, ready for integration with analytics tools. This streamlined process ensures that businesses receive reliable, up-to-date information for their decision-making needs. Grocery data scraping unlocks a range of valuable business applications. Price monitoring allows companies to track fluctuations across platforms and respond to competitive shifts in real time. Competitor analysis helps businesses compare product offerings, pricing strategies, and promotions, ensuring they stay ahead in the market. Inventory planning becomes more efficient by analyzing demand trends and stock levels, reducing waste and optimizing supply. Additionally, market research powered by scraped data reveals consumer preferences and emerging trends, guiding product development and marketing strategies. These use cases demonstrate how data-driven insights can drive growth and operational excellence in the grocery sector. Benefits of grocery data scraping are far-reaching. Real-time insights enable immediate responses to market changes, while strategic pricing ensures competitiveness and maximizes revenue. Operational efficiency is improved by automating data collection, freeing up resources for deeper analysis. Market trends can be identified faster, giving businesses a crucial edge. Once the data is collected, powerful analytics and visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Python libraries transform raw information into actionable insights. These tools help businesses spot patterns, track performance, and make informed decisions that drive success in the ever-evolving grocery landscape. While grocery data scraping offers immense value, it also comes with challenges. Technical hurdles like anti-bot measures, rate limiting, and dynamic content require robust infrastructure. Ensuring data quality means implementing validation checks and handling missing information gracefully. Legal compliance is essential. Scraping must respect platform terms of service, robots, TXT files, and data privacy regulation. Scalability is another key factor, as systems must handle millions of listings and maintain performance during peak loads. By following best practices and investing in reliable technology, businesses can overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of grocery data scraping. Foodspark stands out as a leading provider of enterprise-grade grocery data scraping services. Their platform delivers real-time product listings and pricing data from multiple sources, ensuring businesses always have the latest information. With scalable infrastructure, Foodspark can handle millions of products while maintaining high uptime and fast delivery. Data accuracy is a top priority, achieved through automated checks and manual verification. Flexible APIs and integrations make it easy to connect data directly to analytics tools. By partnering with Foodspark, companies gain a reliable, comprehensive solution for grocery data intelligence, empowering smarter decisions and sustained growth.